新快乐. We're enjoying a beautiful lunch today. It looks like there's cake there as well in a few minutes. But while we're eating lunch, today it's a real pleasure to introduce Elder Frank Lim Sun Yuk. Again to everyone. Lim Sun Yuk. We've known each other now 33 years. When Mary Beth and I first moved to Taiwan, he looked after us in Taipei. We moved to the Hakka land. We drove his car. It was a nice car, I remember. I think it was the last nice car I saw after I moved to the country. But Elder Lin, has many of you know, have been involved in computers and Bible, and he loves the Taiwanese language, loves Hakka language, loves all languages, and loves sharing the Word of God. So, glasses, when we first met, oh yes, and has been last week we had the Eden choir here sharing with us. Elder Lin also has been involved with the Shiloh choir, blind choir at the Swamian Church in Taipei. So today he's here for the special meetings this week. And so we'll just take this time, give him a few minutes to share with us. Continue to eat your lunch and have the cake. And Frank, welcome, and thank you to share with us.
You translate. I only can speak Taiwanese.
那你自己翻译。
你阿姐大家平安。我一直感谢这个机会哦。其实看牧师的时阵，我捌来一届啦哦，可能8、9年前哦，有来一届的。今仔日中我的好朋友讲生日的上节哦，我知伊来哦，讲要来遮，最后讲卖牧师要做。啊，咱啲人客家要讲道，所以讲我一定爱来，来遮欢喜啊，就足多人哦。我老公伊牧师哦，这个圣经拢有要因遮来斗下手。我最后就是讲江联教会哦，还有江联教会你知哦，我参江联教会哦。所以我是第一代基督徒啦哦，一直伫为着这个读台语圣经一直足苦恼的，足艰苦的，就是讲做长老执事的时候，爱读圣经。读台语圣经，咱一直拢用迄个白克的圣经是厦门话啦吼。咱一直甲当做台语，尤其搁甲翻做汉字的时阵，迄个搁有迄个拿写去本叫做台语汉语版，伊甲厦门话当做台语啦。其实这中间有10%无共款吼，自随创用就外教会外人拢听无啦。这阮就一直中伫这个台语的时阵，我因为电视剧牧师一直推广白话字的时，我有就去读吼，感觉讲咱的台语遐水啦。你白话字会晓尔，拄则将长老讲伊客人，伊讲袂晓讲客话。你共款即套，我有迄网站，有客去新闻的网站吼。面顶你就当遮咧读出来就是客话啦吼。无想着讲因这我一个白个穿4年甲伊伫嘛，拢免是本上车同事啦吼。现在足欢喜啊，拄着足侪人。最后即个北美教协，咱北美教协。一直嘛真重视这个台语的圣经，所以每届敢若为7、8年前开始，就我每届拢会叫我去分享这个物件吼。所以即届伫这个台湾教会的时阵，北美教协伊有摆一个9、10点节久的workshop，专门要来讨论台语圣经，所以请大家关心咱的台语圣经，大家来参与啦，来发表意见吼。在场的时有这个。我是伫1990年移民来波士顿啦吼，就甲咱咧赖英祥长老熟悉，就定下两个拢做会讲为着台湾遮个代志吼，做，落尾我讲我伫创这圣经，要出版，迄个伊就讲这是真有意义的代志啦吼。萧千文牧师大家知影吼，萧美琴的爸爸，萧千文牧师伊退休，伊因为参加北美教协，伊就要输入我，要拍汉字，伊波摸袂晓，来学我即套用白话字，用罗马字的啦吼，来拍，就我度吼。我会记得几年前来咱教会时有一位，伊的太太讲菲律宾人，我查得袂记对一位哦。伊嘛讲要学迄个，伊讲伊太太唱圣诗的时阵，伊还是看无老的白话字，伊就我就唱啦吼。 啊，所以我感觉别是足好诶，就是讲你若学晓这套了啊，含客语嘛会使共款啦，阮读起来阮共款，啊，切来意思无共安尼尔啦吼。啊，所以讲即个明仔载啦，大家因为咱在地而遐有充分的时间吼，咱所拄到的台语圣经的困难，咱会当提出来，大家来讨论，希望。咱为着咱这代，为着咱后代以后，咱真正有咱台湾人家己的台语圣经啦。啊，即马当然台语圣经嘛，现代台语的本家迄当时伊拢还一直用厦门腔啦吼。啊，伫台湾这厦门腔以前足重视着北部啦吼讲，啊，这台北人拢爱讲台语啊，所以台湾的普遍腔，70%的人讲的台语的腔口是高雄市为中心的中南部的腔口，请举手。中南部的叫中南部的人，哦，我以前大家真正举起来，一定中南部的人较济啦，哦。所以咧，你读起来圣经，你的腔口就感觉就足爽快、足好诶。上主要就是讲，阮甲即个教会外的即个电医学牧师所推广的培育，即阵人台湾老板是也会配合，所以要互教会外的人嘛读有啦。哦，所以才会诚做叫专门这间他们台湾的一摆无哦，互大家人拢读会爱读，啊，咱要传透去教会外先早较容易会传出去啦吼，啊，真欢喜哦，啊，足实的我无多用客话，假发可无歹有事，伊加减听有啦吼，伊对我足熟悉吼，啊，所以知影我的厝也当讲伊就知，真欢喜啦吼，感谢大家。感谢主啊！